There you go.
Okay, so this is our transfer switch for Generac generator, and I'm just going to turn off the utilities. This is now our main disconnect, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, just heard the generator start up. There she is. Takes a couple seconds for it to get the motor running, and then the automatic transfer switch switches everything over, and we have power everywhere.
So now we're running on generator power, Brian?
Absolutely. All one. Yeah.
all 45 amps.
Yeah, there's 45 amps on this one. It's a 10 kilowatt.
All 45 amps.
Yeah, and then if I switch it back.
So really there was about, what, 15 seconds not even, eh? Between the power shutting off and the power turning on, or how long?
That's right, about 20, 30 seconds maybe.
That would be tops, eh?
Absolutely. And there it goes. We're back on utility power now.
Okay. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you, Kyle.